So instead of worrying about carbs, eat the carbs which you don't have to count. Green vegetables are one of the best source of carbs that you don't have to count at all. They are full of fiber and it's the only carb which doesn't spike insulin and it's great for digestion. Eat your veggies, especially greens, in large amounts. Stuff them in parathas or wraps, cook them as curries or have them with rotis or puris, make a sandwich or have them just as a salad. It's not important how you have them, but it's very important that you are eating 500 to 600 grams or 7 to 8 cups of them every single day. Don't forget to have the MAD detox drink before bed. If you don't know what's a MAD detox drink, please check out in the link. I am providing the link to that recipe. Please do have that before bed, because especially when you eat green vegetables in such large amounts and you're making it a new habit, you might have a constipation, you might or might not have a constipation. So just to avoid that, just in case, please have this. Otherwise also MAD detox drink is going to help you lose tons of weight easily. So check that out, check the link out in the description below.